If you're trying to decide between OpenCode, Claude Code, and Cursor, the truth is, it really comes down to how you like to build. I've been testing all three, and here's the quick breakdown. OpenCode feels like the free workshop. It's open source, runs in the terminal, and lets you plug in almost any model you want. OpenAI, Claude, even local ones. It's super flexible, but you do need to configure more yourself. Claude Code is the autonomous engineer. You give it a goal and it just goes. Refactors files, runs tests, fixes errors. It's insanely powerful, especially with that huge context window, but it's more expensive and very terminal heavy. Then you've got Cursor, which feels like VS Code on steroids. It's the smoothest experience, inline AI, tab completions, visual diffs, but it relies more on you steering the work. So my take? Claude for heavy lifting, Cursor for day-to-day coding, and OpenCode if you want control and flexibility.